welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be servicing the Honda Civic. I've been neglecting it a little bit recently and it's in desperate need of a service, so that's what we're doing today. And I'm going to be nipping around to my dad's because it's his birthday, and probably doing it on his drive, even though I've got my nice new drive. It's still a little bit soft, is the tarmac, so I don't want to be using an axle stand for obvious reasons. But yeah, his drive's concrete as well, so risk of spillage will not be as severe. So let's go. So I've just rocked up at my dad's. I've jacked the car up, it's in the air now, as you can just about see. Axle stand underneath. Loosen the oil cap to let out the air, you know, so it's not sort of glugging out as you would from the as it would from the sump. I want it to, you know, be able to take air in from the top of the engine, so it's not glugging and causing loads of spillage. Now I've got these bits, so it should just be oil and filter from Jack Service Parts. Got Motul oil, which is my preferred oil. Ooh, there we go. Just birthed some 8100 XS 5W40, which is what Honda recommends for the B16, and a OEM filter, hamp filter with the washer, new crush washer for the sump. Yeah, shout out to Jap Service Parts for giving me the oil and filter. This isn't a sponsored video, I wish it was, I wish they would sponsor me. But I've always ordered my oil and filter from them. Good pricing, can't knock them, you know, they give you all the original stuff. So this should be, I believe, a blue filter. Yeah. So it's the blue hamp filter, as you would expect in a Honda engine. So unfortunately, like new modern cars, the oil filter is actually at the bottom, at the back of the engine. You know, like some modern cars are nice and conveniently placed up top of the oil filters, but no, this isn't the case with the old B16 or any of the Hondas actually, as it goes. That's me little drain. You can see that there. Here is the sump plug. Now I should probably go for the oil filter first because it's higher up. Ooh, I can get my hand to it. It was perfectly hand tightened. Now I'm gonna get fucking soaked. Oh god. Oh. Oh, gross. Good catch on the drain bottle thing there. Lost the words. I need to wipe my arm and go wipe myself off. And now, ladies and gents, we shall crack the sump plug. Whoa. Nice and easy. Just nipped as it should be. Not done up with a chuffing ugga-dugga gun. Lovely. Now this is a, if I can just pull focus on that. This was a Wish sump plug that I fitted a while ago. And as you can see, the magnet's still intact. There's no metal shards or anything on it. So that's made me very happy. I mean, there shouldn't be. The engine's got 70-odd thousand miles on it, but it's just nice to see a nice, clean, magnet still intact sump plug, especially when it's from Wish. You know, I wasn't expecting that. I was sort of expecting to find it, I don't know, stuck to my sump somewhere inside the engine. Anyway, new crush washer on, and that's it. Ta-da! Nip oil in. Can't forget that bit. I'm going in with the Jimmy Oaks No Funnel Challenge. Ooh. Oh, he's done it. He's fucking dropped his oil cap. Oh shit, spilled a bit. Oh, got a glug. I'm bottling it. I'm going to see how high I could get. So we're 3.5 in, quick dipstick check. And we are bang on the money. Look at that. Now I'm going to start it up because we've done a filter as well. The filter will take a little bit of capacity, and then I'll have a quick look at the dipstick again and give it a little top up just to make sure it's nice, it's at a nice level. That's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see it drop a little bit on the dipstick. It's just above the minimum now, so I'll top it up with the rest. Go on, Mum. What bit is it?
Which bit is it?
Just point to it. Just point. I won't get your face in. Just point to it.
What do you think it is? Which bit?
Which bit's the whale penis, Mum? Go on then. I think she's turned into a little skullgirl. Is it? Yeah, well done. Thanks, Mum. So that's it, the service is done on the coupe. Nice and easy, nice and quick job. Very happy that the car's burning 0 oil. So as you guys may know, VTEC engines, especially the B series, H series and K series, the performance engines if you like to burn a bit of oil. So I emptied it completely, filled it, and I've done approximately 4,000 miles since the last service, which isn't too shabby. I know I've gone over on the time period, which is worse than the oil than worse for the oil than going over a mileage, but or at least it is if you're doing too few miles over a long period of time. That aside, I serviced it well before the mileage, not before the time period, and that's not good for the oil, but I didn't have to top up at all with any oil, and that means now that from the last service I got a 5 litre tub, I have a litre left over, and from this service I've got a litre left over, which means in another service and a half I'll have a free service. How good's that? Which is quite cool. But yeah, as long as it continues not to burn any oil, it's obviously a healthy engine. You know, there's nothing on the magnetic sump plug, and it's not burning oil at all, which is good. That's good for a B series. I'm so tempted to see if I can find like a low mileage B20 bottom end, or I don't know, maybe even some sort of turbo kit, I dare say. I've always wanted to turbo Honda, but it's never been the thing for me really, turboed Hondas. I've always thought that they deserve to be kept as high revving, naturally aspirated engines, because that's just how they were designed. That's where Honda came from. You know, they made cars after bikes, and that's why their engines are so well balanced and rev so high, you know. Anyway, I digress. I don't know if the video is going to end here. If it does, then thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share this video with other people that you think might be into the coupe build, because there is a lot to come still on the coupe. Next thing though, I think I need to sort this steering wheel out, and maybe even go over a couple of things that I did buy from Wish that didn't work out so well. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. I'll wipe that off actually. One time it's the wrong thread. It looks exactly the fucking same. It's getting covered in fucking oil. Why it fucking go on? There we go, fucking hell. Oh, wrong angle boys, wrong angle. Now it's covered in fucking oil, so I can't tie it. Ah, fucking thing.